Joining us this morning is Kara Jordan, and she's wearing a very fitting shirt. It says Bowls. She is with Blenders and Bowls, an awesome restaurant, women-owned restaurant, one of the many restaurants out there that's kind of having to deal with this coronavirus thing, and you've gone to curbside. We're going to talk about that, but first of all, let's talk about Blenders and Bowls. What are you guys?
Hey, how's it going?
Well.
Blenders and Bowls is a local smoothie and smoothie bowl shop here in Austin. We have 5 locations. We specialize in acai bowls, superfoods. We do all kinds of different smoothie bowls, smoothies, avocado toast, and a ton of other healthy food.
Cool. And you are going to make us something right now, just as if you were in studio doing a cooking demo.
Okay, great. So it's really easy to do at home now. We sell these awesome kits. They come with 2 pints of smoothie bowl blend. They come with some bananas, and they come with some granola. So it makes it really easy to make a bowl at home. So I'm going to demonstrate one real quick for you while we're here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop out some blend into this bowl. These blends are really awesome because you only have to let them de-thaw for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then you can easily scoop out the blend into your bowl. And voila, you have a beautiful smoothie bowl. All you have to do from this point is add your toppings. We gave you the basics, but you can also add your own if you want to get more creative. We have this yummy, yummy granola. This is the granola that we put on all of our bowls in the store, and people love this granola. It's a hemp granola because it has hemp seeds, so you just put a little granola on there. These kits come with enough blend and granola to make 4 bowls. So you just do that, and then I'm going to chop up the banana here real quick. Make sure I put a glove on. So I'm just going to chop up the banana because they come with 2 bananas, and you can just chop it up and put it right on your bowl. Super easy. Even the kids love it. It's a really fun family thing to do at home, is making the bowls, especially since you don't have to worry about blending anything. And then if you have your own fruit, like if you have strawberries or blueberries in your fridge already, you can also add those to your bowl to make it a little bit more fun. You can get really creative with it. And then I also have some coconut shreds because I love coconut shreds. And so you just sprinkle some right on top, and voila, you have a perfect acai bowl made in less than 5 minutes.
There you go. That looks really good. Made with fresh fruit and everything. So that kit is something that you can get from the curbside?
Yes, we have these available for curbside pickup. You can order them online through our website. It's at the very top of the online ordering. You'll see smoothie bowl kits. And then you can also order them from Uber Eats if you'd like to have them delivered.
Okay. And you'll have some spring specials too, is that correct?
We do have some really yummy spring specials. We have what we like to call our Funfetti bowl, which is a bowl that has pitaya, and it has peanut butter and protein, and it tastes like birthday cake, so people really, really love that one.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. Thanks for staying open, and thanks for doing this Zoom interview.
Yes, of course. People need healthy food during this time.
Definitely. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
All right, have a great day.
You too.